She put in that work. She put in that work. She put in that work. Summertime, we're drifting into summertime. Let the evening take us high underneath the open sky. Summer nights.
Good morning and welcome to Darling Workshop. Today I'm going to make this. Okay, it's a twisted wire and I made my own clasp here, and what we're gonna need is 10mm beads and small flat, very tiny tools. I forgot the name. Anyway, this is Darling Workshop and Bale is my favorite one. And to straighten up the wire, we need 20 inches long, 18 gauge. Okay, this one is to straighten up the wire. Okay, now 20 inches gauge, and I had to put this in the middle. Okay, put that and put it in the middle. This is my way of doing this. There's a lot of method to do this. Still going in the middle. Okay, make sure it's even. Squeeze this. That will stay. And okay. See, I squeeze that one right there. And if you think it's not even, just adjust over here, hold it tight, and slowing down to reach the middle of the beads again. There you go. Okay. And then this one gonna be look like, but I have to with this tool. Okay, I have to when I got the middle, I have to straighten this one up straight 90 degree, and then I pull it, this one, pull it down. Okay, it's opposite way of the other side. Gonna be like this. Okay, then that's what's gonna be look like. Okay, and then from there I have to measure 3 inches long from the end. Okay, 3 inches long, And what I do, I make the bend this way, because we're gonna have an opposite way to the other side. Okay, and this is going to be our working wire. Okay, so from there I have to do this like this. When you got that end there, you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. 3 inches. Mark it. Okay? You go on the other side like that. Opposite way. Like that. Okay, gonna be opposite way. And make sure they're opposite way. Okay? Like that. And from there, you have to fold that. That's what I do. I have to fold that. Then you got your 3 inches there. And it's gotta be opposite way. From here, you have to fold that. And leave this. I know it's very tricky. Gonna confuse you, confuse myself, LOL. There. The opposite way. Opposite way. See how opposite way is? Different direction. Opposite direction, I meant to say. And this is, you hold that there. Hold it. And you only gonna twist this part. Okay? And you can start it, bend it, go see over here, not against, but you follow that, hold it tight, and just bend it with your finger, or you bend it from the end. Okay, as long as you get the twisting, not bending, excuse me, the twisting. All right, see, twist. This is a new iPod I have, so I have to practice using this, but this iPod is awesome. See, now I can work and show you closely what I'm doing instead of this way. So that's why I'm kind of struggle for a while. But see, you hold it over here and you can twist better. See? See that? gonna be look like this. Okay, and leave this open. Look like a loop at the end. See? The loop at the end, right there. Then after that, if you satisfies of your bending, okay, you can more bend. I'm just showing you, okay. And then you take this, all right. You take that, and let me see. Where it coming from? You take that. It's gonna be look like this. This one is gonna be your working wire. So you're gonna turn it around and let me see. Make sure you do the same thing. Bend that. Hold in the end and keep bending. Even though I got arthritis, you know, I still can manage to working with my hands. Leave a small loop. Okay. Okay, we got a small loop here. This is good loop right there. Right here. Okay. Then after that, I know this one is kind of wacky, but I'm just showing you. Okay. Fix that later. You can leave this larger you want. The same thing. Like that. Okay. You always fix that later. And then this one here, covering from the other side. Okay. You have to make it around. Over here. Okay, when you got it around, and this one go around over here. Okay. When you got that around, you wrap that then. Yeah. You wrap that. Yeah. Maybe 3 wrap. Or more. Maybe more, because just finish that wire. That way you don't have to cut it. And it will hold the twisting better, stronger. Okay. That. And you always use this for finishing, tucking in, and hide it somewhere. From there, okay? And then you tie it up a little bit. You straight it up. And same thing over here. Go around. And wrap. Finish wrapping. Make sure it's not on top or look yucky, so we check out the back. It's fine. You can squeeze that a little bit to fix it. Just a little bit there, and then keep wrapping. Okay, remember, this is not tutorial, this is I show and tell, and you can do the best that I'm doing right now because I'm demonstrating it. Just tucking in that somewhere. Adjust. Make it closer if you want. Tucking in. It's gonna be look like that. You can always fix that later. That's what I said, I'm just showing you. Make tighter if you want, make tighter. But for now, this is good. And this is need more twisting. Skinny. Just like the other side. Okay. Twist, twist, not bending. Twist, twist, twist. There you go. Don't give up. Keep doing it. You give up, you lose. Even though how awful look it is, keep on tracking and you fix it a little bit and adjust it later. Okay? So if you get tired of twisting, but look good though. Ta-da! You can use this